Welcome to our COVID test tutorial. Step 1. Find a testing location by going to lexingtonky.gov, clicking on the COVID response page, and then scrolling down to drive-through testing locations. Step 2. Check in. Depending on your location, you might need an ID, insurance information, and an appointment confirmation number. Step 3. Take out your swab. Step 4. Swab one nostril. Step 5. Swab your other nostril. Step 6. Return your swab. Step 7. Wait for your results, which may come by phone or email depending on your location. And you're all done.